kindly be seated. Fortunately, we have another friend, a well-wisher, a senior with us in the audience. I request Mr. Maithu Cherian, sir, please come. He heads Helpage India and he is the country director of Helpage India. Please come. Please give a big clap for him. We have another friend here. We all are friends here. Another well-wisher here, Mr. Siddharth Misra. He is consulting editor of Millennium Post. Mr. Siddharth Misra is here around. I just saw him. Let's give a big clap. मैं आप सबको संक्षेप में 2 मिनट में बता देना चाहता हूं कि ये जो नेशनल एसोसिएशन ऑफ स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स ऑफ इंडिया है, नासवी, ये स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और जो स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स को आप रोड किनारे देखते हैं, सड़क किनारे देखते हैं, उनके संगठन है। और हम लोग ये फेस्टिवल ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं इसी उद्देश्य के साथ कि इनको मार्केट मिल सके, इन्हें ऐसे फेस्टिवल्स में भाग लेने का मौका मिल सके और आपके जैसे कस्टमर से इंटरैक्ट करने का इन्हें मौका मिल सके। और ये नेशनल लेवल का फेडरेशन है। हमारे सारे राज्यों में हमारा मेंबर्स है। ऑलमोस्ट ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री वी हैव मेंबर्स and we have been fighting for their rights so that they can be regulated, they can find a better place in the cities. That has been our motto, and we have been successful in getting an act this year, 2014, and the act calls for regulation of street vendors so that there will be less chaos in the cities, in Indian cities. So our organization is basically for empowerment, and if you look at the theme of this festival is food that empowers. जो खाना जो हमें सशक्त करता है, ये ना सिर्फ स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स को सशक्त करता है, बल्कि जो लोग खाते हैं खाना उनको भी ये सशक्त करता है, क्योंकि रिजनेबली प्राइस होता है, हर आपके एरिया में रहता है, आपके सामने बनाया जाता है, फ्रेश रहता है। तो इसलिए हमने इसको फूड दैट एम्पावर्स ये थीम दिया है और हमें उम्मीद है कि इस थीम के बाद हम लोग कई सरकार के भी लोगों को इनवाइट किए हैं और कल से कई मिनिस्टर्स भी आएंगे। मगर हमारा एक ख्वाहिश था कि हमारे बीच में मास्टर शेफ संजीव कपूर आए, इसलिए हमने जो है उद्घाटन जो है हमने मिस्टर संजीव कपूर के द्वारा ही रखा कि ये हमारे बीच में आए, क्योंकि ये कलनरी में हमारे पूरे देश के लिए इज ए सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन फॉर कलनरी। एंड some of the vendors who had participated in World Food Congress last year in Singapore, they got an opportunity to visit a culinary institute, famous culinary institute in Singapore. And when they saw the photograph of Mr. Sanjeev Kapoor in that institute, they all were thrilled. And from that day we vote that we will get him here in one of our street food festivals. And we are very happy that we have been able to attract him to the festival, and he is able to take out time for this program. And I really hope that we will have a great event, 4 days. And we also plan that instead of having an annual affair, we will have more of these formats throughout the year in a different way. We were in fact also thinking that next year we will have an international street food festival, where we could bring food vendors from different parts of the country. So, before much ado, we have another interesting person who will take 2 minutes of yours, and I'll invite Mr. Dheeraj Agarwal. He has also flown from Mumbai. He has also come from Mumbai. An interesting person. And before I give the mic to Sangeeta, who heads our street food program, I would like Dheeraj ji to tell himself who is he and what he has done for, what he is going to do.
Thank you, Arvind ji. Thanks a lot. So, in brief, I'll tell about myself. When I was 10 to 12 years old, I was a street vendor. So, I belong from Agra. My birthplace is Agra. I used to go with my father on cycle, and I used to sell clothes in streets and in all mandis and all. We used to put a kapda, and on that we used to put clothes and sell it. So, but somehow my parents managed to give me a good study, and then I ended up landing in Delhi College of Engineering. From there I did my engineering, and then I landed in a good job in Mumbai. So since 5 years, I have been taking care of different things all over India. So this experience of mine from my childhood like made me thought, okay, why should not I now I'm at this level? Why should not I do something for street vendors? But I have come at this stage. So then in Mumbai I used to meet street vendors and I used to give them some tips. From that their business used to increase. Then one day I thought, let me see if there is anybody else like me. And then I googled it and I found Nasty over there, and I was surprised the whole organization is there. And then I wrote an email to Arvindji. I wrote my story and I asked him, can I scale it up? I want to help them at a big level. And then Arvindji gave me an opportunity. Yes, in December we are going to start our annual Delhi Street Food Festival. So can we bring these street vendors with internet? Can we bring them on a mobile app? Today the era is of internet. So we have made a mobile app. Now you can find these street food vendors at your fingertips on your mobile app. So in some time, Master Chef Sanjeev Kapoor will inaugurate it. So this was in brief about myself. I give it to Arvindji now.